So friends, welcome again to GISE Pathshala. So friends, after finishing our exercise 2.3, today we are going to learn about the division of the fraction. So in our previous video, we learned about how to addition of the fraction, how to do subtraction of the fraction, how to do multiplication of the fraction. Now, division of the fraction. So friends, let me start how to divide a fraction. So friends, if it is given 3 divided by 1 by 4, so in place of division, we have to do the multiplication and after division के बाद जो भी फ्रैक्शन है उसका हमें कर देना है रिवर्स, उसका कर देना है हमें रेसिप्रोकल मीन्स उल्टा, जो नीचे है वो ऊपर चला जाएगा और नीचे ऊपर है वो नीचे, मीन्स रेसिप्रोकल बोलते हैं उसको, और हमें वो कर देना है. सो यहाँ पे 1/4 है तो इसका हो जाएगा 4/1, 3 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 4/1, और डिवीजन की साइन हो जाएगी multiply. So 3 multiply by 4/1. So 1, there is a 1 in the denominator, so there is no value of 1. So simply 3 4s are 12. So 12 is our answer. Now next, 3 divided by 1/2. So there is a 1/2. So if we do the reciprocal of 1/2, so we will get 2/1. And here sign will be multiplied. 3 multiplied by 2/1. So 3 2s are 6. So our answer is 6. So that way we can do the division of the given fraction. Now यहाँ पे फ्रेंड्स ट्राई दिस दिया हुआ है. सो लेट वी सी हाउ टू सॉल्व दिस. 7 डिवाइड बाय 2/5. सो 7 मल्टीप्लाई 2/5 है उसका रेसिप्रोकल मीन्स 5/2 और मल्टीप्लाई की साइन आ जाएगी यहाँ पे. ओके फ्रेंड्स, बहुत ही इजी है, बहुत ही सिंपल है. सो सिंपली फ्रेंड्स 7 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 5/2. सो 7 और 2 को हम कट कर सकते हैं और 7 और 2 और 5 को नहीं. वी कैन नॉट कट एनीथिंग फ्रॉम दिस ऑल. सो सिंपली 7 5 are 35. सो आंसर विल बी 35/2. 7 5 are 35. 35/2 is our answer. Okay friends. Now next, 6 divided by 4/7. 6 divided by 4/7. So 6 multiply 7/4. 6 multiply 7/4. यहाँ पे मैं कर रहा हूँ मैं फ्रेंड्स. Now friends, these both are divisible by 2, 6 and 4. So 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Now अब हम कुछ कट नहीं कर सकते तो 7 3s are 21 and 21/2. So this is our answer. Or also we can convert it into improper fraction. Okay, so that this way we can find out the division of the given fraction. Now next, 4 divided by 2, 2/5. So here convert it into improper. 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 2, 12/5. Okay friends, 12/5. Now is equal to question mark is given. So 4 multiply 5/12. Okay friends, now we can cut. Yes, 4 and 12 we can cut these both. Both are in under table of 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So our answer is 5/3. Okay, so this way we can do the multiplication of the given number. So friends, let me see the exercise. So friends, let me start our exercise number 2.4. In question 1, total there are 6 sums. From these 6 sums, 4 sums I will teach you how to solve these sums, and remaining 2 sums you have to do it by yourself. So 1 2 5 and 6, these sums I will solve, and remaining 2 sums you have to do by yourself. So okay, so let me start. First one is 12 divided by 3/4. So 12 divided by 3/4. So here in place of divide I put multiply and the reciprocal of this 4/3. 4/3. So friends, 3 and 12 both are in under table of 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12. 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12. So we can cut these both. So in the denominator only 1 is remaining, and here in the numerator 4 multiplied by 4. So 4 4s are 16. So 16 is our answer. Sum number 2, 14 divided by 5/6. So multiply 6/5. Now friends, we cannot cut 5 with 6, and we can also not cut 5 with 14. So 14 6 are 84. 84 divided by 5, and convert it into mixed fraction. 5 16s are 80. 80 plus 4, 84. So this is our answer, 16 4/5. Now sum number 5, 3 divided by 2, 3 1/3. So first of all convert it into improper fraction. 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1 7. So 7/3. Now in place of division put multiply and reciprocal of this 3/7. So 3 3s are 9 and denominator 7. So 9/7, and convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. So we will get 7 1 7 plus 2 9, 9 by 7. Okay. Sum number 6, 5 divided by 3, 4 by 7, 3 by 4, 7. Convert it into improper fraction. 7 3s are 21, 21 plus 4, 25. So 5 divided by 25 upon 7. In place of division, multiplication and the reciprocal of this 7 upon 25. Now 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25. So 7 upon 5. So 7 upon 5 is answer. And convert this 7 upon 5 into mixed fraction. So 5 1s are 5, 5 plus 2 7. So 1, 2 by 5 is the answer. Now question number 2 is very easy, that we have to solve in textbook only. So question number 2 is that find the reciprocal of each of the following fractions. First of all, we have to find the reciprocal of all of the fraction. They classify the reciprocal as a proper fraction, improper fraction, or a whole number. So we have to give the name. Whatever reciprocal we are doing, it is a proper, improper, or whole. Okay. So first of all, 3 by 7. So reciprocal of 3 by 7 is 7 by 3. And here numerator is bigger. Numerator is bigger, so it is improper fraction. 5 by 8, so 8 by 5. Numerator is bigger, so improper fraction. 9 by 7, so उसका reciprocal होगा 7 by 9, so proper fraction. 6 by 5, so 5 by 6. Numerator is smaller, so proper fraction. 12 by 7, so 7 by 12, so numerator is smaller, so proper fraction. 1 upon 8, so 8 ऊपर और 1 नीचे. If denominator में 1 है तो 1 की कोई वैल्यू है नहीं, so only I wrote only 8 here, so it is a whole number, W. And here 1 by 11, 11, so it is a whole number. So question number 2 you have to solve in your textbook only. Do not write this question in your notebook. Now friends, question number 3, find means a division of the fraction with a whole number. Same जैसे हमने पहले किया था. So from this I will solve a few of the sums, remaining sums. You have to do it by yourself in homework, in your notebook. So let me see question number 3. So first 7 by 3 divided by 2. So 7 by 3 multiply by 1 by 2. Now we cannot cut anything. 3 is not divisible by 7. 3 is 1. No. So 7 1 is 7, 3 2 is 6, 7 by 6. और उसको convert हमने कर दिया mixed fraction में. 6 1 is 6 plus 1 7. So 1 1 by 6. Now question number 2, 4 by 9 divide by 5. So in place of divide, I put here multiply, and in place of 5, reciprocal of 5 is 1 by 5. So 1 by 5. Now 9 4 9 1 5 4 5 1. We cannot cut anything. So 4 1s are 4, 9 5s are 45. 4 by 45 is our answer. It is a proper fraction. Now 5 number ka sum. Mixed fraction is given. So first of all, convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1 7. So 7 by 2 divided by 4. So in place of divide I put multiply, and in place of 4 reciprocal of 4. So it is a 1 by 4. So 7 1s are 7 and 2 4s are 8. 7 by 8 is our answer. Sum number 6. 4 3 by 7 divided by 7. So first of all, convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 3 31. 31 by 7 divided by 7. Now in place of division we have to put multiply sign, and the reciprocal of 7. Reciprocal of 7 is 1 by 7. Now we cannot cut anything. 7 is not divisible. 7 के टेबल में 31 नहीं आता. Yes. So 31 1s are 31. 7 7s are 49. So 31 by 49 is our answer. So in this also there are 6 sums. From these 6 sums, 4 sums, 1 2 5 and 6 I solved. Sum number 3 and 4. This you have to solve by yourself. Now question number 4, find fraction. Both fraction are there, and the division of the both fraction. Total 8 sums are there. From these 8, few of the sums I will solve, and remaining sums you have to solve by yourself. Sum number 1, 2 by 5 divided by 1 by 2. So in place of divide I put multiply, and 1 by 2 का reciprocal होगा 2. So 2 और 5 हम cut नहीं कर सकते. So 2 2s are 4 and 5. 4 by 5 is our answer. Sum number 2, 4 by 9 divided by 2 by 3. So reciprocal of 2 by 3 is 3 by 2, and here multiply sign. So we can cut. Yes friend, 2 and 4 we both are in the table of 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. So upside what is remaining? 2 and 1, and downside 3 1. So 2 1s are 2, 3 1s are 3. So 2 by 3 is our answer friends. Now sum number 3, 3 by 7 divided by 8 by 7. So in place of divide, multiply 7 by 8. Reciprocal of 8 by 7 is 7 by 8. So 7 7 cut. So 3 by 8 is our answer. Sum number 7. 3 integer 1 by 5 divided by 1 integer 2 by 3. So first of all, convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 1 16 by 5 divided by 3 1s are 3. 3 plus 2 5 by 3. Now convert into reciprocal 3 by 5 multiply by 3 by 5. So friends, now हम कुछ कट कर सकते हैं. 5 16 से कट नहीं कर सकते, 5 3 नहीं. So 16 3s are 48 upon 25. So convert it into improper fraction. So 25 1s are 25. 25 plus 23 is 48. Sum number 8. 2 1 by 5 divided by 1 1 by 5. So first of all, convert it into improper fraction. 5 2s are 10 plus 1 11 by 5 divided by 5 1s are 5 plus 6 6 by 5. Now in place of divide, we have to put multiply and reciprocal of this number. So its reciprocal is 5 by 6. So 5 by 6. Now friends, 5 5 will be cut. So answer will be 11 by 6. 11 by 6 is our answer. Now 11 by 6 is an improper fraction. So convert it into mixed fraction. So 6 1s are 6 plus 5 11. So this is our answer. So friends, here we finished our exercise number 2.4. So friends, finish this exercise 2.4 in your notebook and send me the photographs of your notebooks. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.